Demystifying inert. Understand it once and for all. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the word inert. This might sound like a scientific term, and you're right, it does have some scientific uses. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it, and you'll be impressing your friends with your expanded vocabulary. Inert primarily means lacking the ability or strength to move. It can describe something that's lifeless or inactive. For instance, if you see a rock and comment that it's inert, you're observing that the rock doesn't move or do anything. It just sits there. In the world of science, especially chemistry, inert has a specific use. It refers to substances that are not chemically reactive. For example, noble gases like helium and argon are often termed inert gases because they don't readily react with other elements. To ensure you're comfortable with inert, here are some example sentences. 1. The inert statue stood tall amidst the bustling city square. 2. After the surgery, his leg felt inert and numb. 3. Scientists prefer using inert gases in experiments to prevent unwanted reactions. It's always good to know a few synonyms to enrich our vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for inert: inactive, dormant, lethargic, stagnant. That wraps up our journey with the word inert. Remember, whether you're talking about a lifeless object or a non-reactive gas, inert is your go-to word. We hope this explanation clarifies any doubts you had. Keep learning and stay curious. Until next time,